The sort by function sorts the contents of a range based on the values in another corresponding range. The fields to be entered are as follows. Firstly is the array, which is all the data that we want sorted. By array 1 is the range of cells that we're basing our sorting on. Sort order 1 is the order, is where we specify the order that we want the sort by filter to apply. So 1 represents ascending, -1 represents descending. So, and that'll work either for a number or alphabetically. And the default sort order is ascending. And then we can specify multiple sorting criteria. So we have by array 2, sort order 2, and so forth. So let's look at the sort by formula in action. I want to return this table, and I want it sorted by the largest amount of revenue first. So I'm going to open up my sort by. The array is all the data here in this table. The by array 1 is, I want it sorted by revenue, so I'm going to select all the data here in column C. And I want it sorted by the greatest amount of revenue appearing first. So I'm going to select this -1 value, or descending. And that'll automatically return the table. And again, we know it's a dynamic function with where the formula is entered into E12 and then spills down, and you have this grayed out formula here.